Jesse Noakes, 36, Matilda Lane Rose, 20, and Emil Davey, 23, three members of the climate activist group Disrupt Burrup Hub, have collectively received fines totaling $6,500 following their guilty pleas to charges of attempted unlawful damage and trespass. Their actions stemmed from a thwarted protest at the Perth residence of Woodside Energy's chief executive, Meg O'Neill, in August 2023. The initial charges. The incident unfolded when Noakes and Lane Rose arrived at O'Neill's home, armed with paint, water balloons, and a bicycle lock, intending to vandalize the property. Approximately 10 counterterrorism police officers were already positioned at the residence, anticipating their arrival, effectively preventing the planned act of vandalism from taking place. Davey's involvement in the pre-planned protest was equally significant, contributing to the collective effort to disrupt and target O'Neill's private property. The trio's presence at the scene, coupled with the possession of materials intended for property damage, underscored their intent to commit the offenses. The case unfolded in Perth Magistrates Court, where Chief Magistrate Stephen Heath presided over the sentencing. In his judgment, Heath explicitly stated that Noakes, Lane Rose, and Davey were equally culpable in the meticulous planning and preparatory stages of the aborted protest, highlighting the collaborative nature of their actions. He emphasized the premeditation involved, emphasizing the seriousness of their attempt to cause damage and breach the security of a private residence. The court proceedings highlighted the group's well-organized approach, demonstrating a clear intention to conduct a high-profile demonstration against the energy executive. The Disrupt Burrup Hub, of which the defendants are members, has a history of disruptive actions against Woodside Energy. Their protests have ranged from the deployment of noxious gases at the company's Perth headquarters, resulting in the evacuation of approximately 2,000 employees, to this more recent, albeit unsuccessful, attempt at property damage. This history of escalation in protest tactics suggests a persistent and determined effort to draw attention to their environmental concerns and to disrupt the operations of Woodside Energy. The significant police presence at O'Neill's residence reflects the perceived seriousness of the threat posed by the group and the potential for further escalation of their disruptive activities. The court's decision, while imposing significant fines, also serves as a warning regarding the legal repercussions of future acts of civil disobedience and targeted property damage. The substantial fines imposed aim to act as a deterrent against similar actions in the future, underscoring the importance of respecting private property and adhering to the law, even in the pursuit of activism. The incident raises broader questions about the balance between freedom of expression and the protection of private individuals from targeted harassment and property damage.